Bajop Pyngrope, who is the MDC of Ramrai Jiringam constituency, and also would like to welcome all his supporters, all his leaders who have joined the family of the National People's Party. Bajop, once again, on behalf of the National People's Party family, I take this opportunity to welcome you to the National People's Party.
The Congress member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Bajop Pyngrope, today formally joined the National People's Party. Pyngrope was welcomed with open arms by the leaders of NPP at NPP office in Shillong. Bajop Pyngrope said he left the Congress party as he could not tolerate the infighting within the party. Speaking on the occasion, Meghalaya Chief Minister KHADC Sangma said,
"A party is not made up of one person. Party is made up of a team. And every person in the team has a role to play. And as long as we can ensure that the positive qualities of every individual and the constructive work that every individual can add to the party and to the system and to the organization and to service to the people, that will be the only way that we can move forward to take our party as well as the state, the region and the country forward." So therefore today is another red letter day for the National People's Party, where we are seeing many leaders, experienced, young, energetic, dynamic leaders from different regions, whether Jenti Hills, Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi, Garo Hills. Today we are seeing the response of the party from every nook and corner of the state. And that is one of the second, I should say, strengths of the party. We are not a party that works and serves and looks at region or tribe or an individual and works. We work regardless of which region, regardless of which tribe or community you belong to. We believe in carrying everybody forward together. We believe in serving everybody with equality. And that's the reason today so many people from so many different parts, from so many different political parties have decided and today are joining the National People's Party. I had made this statement almost a month back that you will see more and more people joining, and it's happening. And I can assure you that this process will continue. Today, the people of our state of Meghalaya have faith in the National People's Party. They believe that it is a party that is doing the right things, taking up difficult matters and issues that are important to the people.